So I've been selling these freeze misers now for about a year. Last year my parents tried them and said they worked really well, and I decided to try them myself because it's supposed to get down in the 20s tonight. It's January 22nd. Of course, we just had our first baby, coldest day of the year I think so far. So I've just screwed the freeze miser onto the end of my hose here, and I'm fixing to cut the water on. Let me switch the view. So they say it's best to kind of keep it off the ground so that as the water drips out of the end and freezes, it won't freeze to the ground. So I've got it elevated on my little bucket here, and you're supposed to cut your water on. So full blast, and very cool. Nothing's coming out. So it's working like it's supposed to. We're gonna check it in the morning and see how much is dripping. I'm excited.